y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing this 30-inch loose deep wave wig that I received from Megalook hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig. The unit already came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. First thing I'm going to do is cut the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. For this step, you do want to make sure that you part the hair first and then you cut where the hair is parted. Then I'm going to cut the lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with the middle section. And to lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue. Instead of going in with a blow dryer, I'm going in with my foldable fan to dry this glue. Once the glue is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down, I always start with that middle section, and I like to make sure that the hairline is applied directly on top of where I applied the glue. Then you want to do that same exact process to the other 2 sections of the lace. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to really make sure that this lace is fully glued down. Now I'm going in with the Kiss Lace Bond spray, and I'm applying just a small amount of that adhesive spray on top of the lace for that extra security. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to get that melted lace look. I do this step for about 5 minutes, and then I wait an extra 10 minutes with the elastic band on before I take my elastic band off. I'm using my makeup brush that had leftover foundation on it to blend and tint my lace. I'm using the Kiss razor to cut my lace off, and I like to cut my lace in a zigzag motion to give the lace more of a natural look. I also like to cut my lace off by sections so that I can really focus on the details while I'm cutting. Now that the lace is completely off, I'm going in with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray, and I'm just spraying the areas that did not fully glue down the first time and just making sure that everything is fully laid down. Now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. For this style, I'll be doing a middle part, and I love how deep the parting space on this unit is. I feel like it gives the unit more of a natural and just overall better look. When it comes to my baby hairs, I like for them to look a little bit more the natural side. So when I do pull my baby hairs out, I only pull out a thin layer. I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to flatten down the top of my wig. Now I'm going in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting to really get the base of my wig nice and flat. To style my baby hairs, I'm going in with the Got2b Flex Hold Spray, and I apply a generous amount of that spray and then I style my edges. I noticed that every time I use a spray instead of gel for my edges look fluffy and more natural. I noticed that with this unit, it didn't really need a lot of styling. I went in with some mousse to flatten down the top of this wig even more. And then I also took that same mousse and applied it throughout the hair to bring back the curl pattern. going in with some concealer to enhance my parting space. Here's the final look of this unit, and I really do love the end results. I love the curl pattern on this unit. It kind of gives off a soft crimp type of look, and the hair itself is just very fluffy. It looks fluffy, so I really love that. I also like the deep parting space on this unit, and just the lace overall was a pretty good lace. It blended so well, especially with my skin tone, so I don't really have any complaints about that. If you're looking for a very soft, full, fluffy type of look, you should definitely look into this specific unit, especially with this curl pattern. Here's how the back of the unit look. Very full, no gaps in it, and super fluffy. As far as the shedding, I did not get a lot of shedding at all, especially based off the initial unboxing and install. And as far as tangling, initially I did not get any tangling either. However, with this curl pattern, eventually you are going to have to maintain it a little bit more because it is also on the curly side. All in all, this is a beautiful unit. Megalook came through once again, and they did not disappoint. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.